Hi, this is Josh Weiss of 10-1 Public Relations. We just commissioned this art piece from Matt Gaulden. It's from Rolling Ball Structures. We're super excited. The idea being when we created this is that every different ball would represent a story that we get for a client, so we can collect them up and demonstrate how many stories we're getting for clients. And so I had a great time working with Matt, creating these different elements. He personalized everything, made it all work. So I wanted to play it for everybody so everyone can see what an amazing job that he did in creating this for us.